I just watched a documentary on Netflix. Let me give them a plug since they're distributing my movie.
Shout out to Netflix and FOXSOUL.
Yeah, that it was on Miles Davis, a documentary.
Yes, I've seen it. Very good. Yeah.
Miles said something very profound. He just kind of threw it out there. Somebody asked him, what about the mistakes that you make while playing? And Miles said, there are no mistakes. He says, what you do after you mess up is what counts. That's improvisation.
We're in a moment where our normal has been messed up. The world has changed. Our patterns are different. How can we apply that to the moment we find ourselves in?
First, we got to know what moment we're in. The moment that we're in is really insignificant to the universe.
Facts.
Because all the universe is doing is what it always does, taking care of itself.
What do you mean by that?
The universe provides air for itself, provides rain for itself, provides all of the things, atoms and so on and so forth, that it needs to survive for itself. Man comes along and disrespects the universe, makes an unsavory contribution, a gluttonous.
I like that. I like that. That's rich.
A gluttonous contribution to the plan of the universe. Takes. We try to say, give back. But we're very poor at that. Now the universe says, well, I'll hit a reset button. And it does.
Right.
And this reset button is called coronavirus 19. It shut down everything. The universe waited until we as a people became smart enough to give ourselves the internet so that we could all get the message at the same time. Now we have the message together, all at once. There have been other viruses. There have been plagues. There have been other catastrophes. But the world never came to a screeching halt for the human being as a result of any of those, because it didn't have the apparatus. This time the universe said, okay, you guys, everybody's got the apparatus. Boom. I'm gonna hit you all with this at one time. Let everybody know.